Hello, welcome back. Let's make a simple 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program. So we're going to make a text, and then each letter will be transformed into a 3D object which has this isometric orientation. So let's start creating one. So click on the type tool, and then afterwards, let's say if you want to type create, for instance, and then click here, and then hold the shift key to resize it so that the size of the text is uniform. And then let's say if you want to turn it into this text with another typeface, for example, and then put it here, and then afterwards right click, create outlines, right click, ungroup, just like this. And then let's color this text yellow, for example. Yeah, this will do. This shade of yellow will do. And then let's make it 3D. Click here, effect, 3D and materials, and then extrude. And then simply change the preset into isometric left. No, right, just like this. You can even increase the depth so that it looks like this pretty much. You can even add some bevel if you like. Make sure that the width is set to this amount. Make sure that you tick on the box for bevel on both of the sides, in front and at the back. And then afterwards you do some tweaks with the lighting. Change the depth into 100 points. Go to lighting, change the intensity to 70%, rotation to 0, the height to 80, and then the softness to 80, just like this. Change the intensity to this. 400 will do. Yeah, 200 will do. And then you can, add some shadows. Go under it, and then set the position to below the object. And then what you do is to yeah, this is enough actually. Set the distance to 0%. Maybe let's change the, no, this is good. So when you're done, we can head over to the second letter. Go to object, and then click on extrude, and then change the depth into 100, and then turn on the bevel for both sides again. Reduce it to this, and then change the preset into isometric left. My bad. And then go to lighting, change the rotation to 90 degrees, the height to 80, and then the softness to 80. Increase the intensity to this, and then add the shadows. Change it to below object, just like so. And then when you're done, you can simply go to window, and then click on graphic styles, and then drag it into this one, into the box. So the 3D preset is already inserted here. So when we drag this preset onto another letter, it will, it will be generating a 3D object based on the preset. Same goes here. And then drag it onto the third letter. See, the orientation and the 3D object style is the same. And then keep on dragging. Hold on, this is not right. This, hold on, wait. Alright, afterwards this, and then afterwards this. You're done actually. And then close it. You can change colors. Let's say to baby blue. For this one, maybe a lighter shade of pink. And for this, a shade of orange. For this, a shade of cyan. Lastly, a shade of green. This green would do. And then when you're done, select them all. And then go to object, hold on, okay. Go here. And then make sure that the ray tracing option is enabled. And then tick on this box so that all of the 3D objects have the same effect. See? Now that ray tracing has been applied to this letter C, the lighting and the look of the shadow are the same as the look for the real 3D objects that you see in real life. And then click on render when you're done. Oh, fancy. You've created this 3D text in Adobe Illustrator. Looks fancy, isn't it? So, yep. Well, there's still some rough parts. You can actually export it into, you know, an image file, and then you can blur this using Photoshop, and then you can actually do some more tweaks. But that's the basics on how you can create this 3D text, converting text into, you know, the text with 3D effect in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for me. It's good day. Ciao.